I'm going to show you real quick how to increase the speed of a video that's playing. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. Between the two of them, every video can be speeded up to where a 1 hour video will take you about 45 minutes to watch or less. Okay, first thing is, right over here there's a number. It says 1.00, and when I hover over it, 5 boxes come out. The boxes that come out will speed the video up. So right now we're at 1, which is normal talking speed. I don't know if you can hear this on this or not, but okay, I'm going to speed this up now. I like to listen to videos at about 1.5. Some of them I could listen to at 1.7. Occasionally I could listen to them at 2.0. So I'm going to put this one at 1.7. I think this will be fast enough. I'm going to back it up to where it starts again. Okay, so that was faster. Now, I'm going to bring this one back down to 0 again. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. There's 0. And this is the other way to speed up a video. There's a little gear over here. It's on the bottom of almost every video that plays nowadays. And you can click on that gear, and then you'll see annotations, playback speed, subtitles, or quality. So let's go to playback speed. It says normal. That would be 1.0. Click on it, and depending on the video, most of them will have a chart like this. Some of them will only go down like 1 or 2 notches. Okay, so let's put it at 1.5. Or let's put it at 1.75. And that says 1.75 there, and guess what? It also says 1.75 in the corner over here. So now we're going to play that same thing at 1.75. Okay, so that's how to speed the video up. Because I know I sent you quite a few videos. I'm going to send you one in a little bit. It's like a 2-hour video, but I could watch it in less than an hour by speeding it up to 2 point something. Because normally David Sprague talks real slow, believe it or not. So and between all of his press 1 for this and everything. So anyway, that's one thing I wanted to show you real quick. To get this one, that's called a Google extension. And to get the Google extension, I'll give you a link to it. You can click those 3 buttons on the top over there. Click down to where it says More Tools. Click down again to where it says Extensions. And these are the extensions that I have on my computer right now. Ad Blocker, Guardio, and this and this and this. And this is the video extension that I use. That's this one here. And I'm going to click on, you can't see it from here. Maybe you can. I'm going to click on Details. And that's going to give you the website. Somewhere. Shoot. Well, I'll just put the website in the package, in the email. All right, so anyway, all you have to do is go to that website, click Install. It'll install automatically. And then on the bottom, you'll see, not on this page, of course not. There it is. It says Details or Remove, or this one. You can't see it from here. Let's see. Okay. Details, Remove, or this one. This one is the on-off. If you click it off, it won't do what it does. But if you keep it on, it will do what it does all the time. No reason to ever shut it off. Because anytime you go to a video, that little number is going to be in the corner over there. Bye.